Now, Maryland's most powerful Doppler radar and the forecast certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
I'm meteorologist Wyatt Everhart with your latest WeatherNet digital forecast update. 29th day of March. High temperature would normally be very close to 60. Didn't get there today, but with some sunshine, we did get a little warmer out there at least. The temperature's up in the low 50s. Lots of sunshine late this afternoon in Baltimore. Nice still shot from the Maryland Science Center. Postcard shot, you'd have to say, looking out downtown. Annapolis's time lapse, the skies above, and just a few high, thin cirrus clouds, but on the whole, some very, very good-looking weather out there. Again, temperatures rising nicely into the low 50s after a chilly start this morning. Some spots well down in the 20s. But again, a good-looking day in Ellicott City as well. Low temperatures this morning, here's what I was talking about. 20s north and west of town. We found 27 this morning in Frederick and 20 up in York. 36 in Annapolis, 30 down in Cambridge on the Eastern Shore. So a lot of frost on a lot of the outlying areas around the city, though downtown did stay above freezing. And high temperatures today recovering pretty nicely. We had 50 in Annapolis, 53 so far at the Inner Harbor, 52 out in Frederick. Light winds out of the north, but on the whole, just a comfortable breeze blowing. Weather, of course, just now that it's finally getting nice here in the second week of spring, about to take a turn for the worse here as we go into the next couple of days. Clouds trying to creep in out of West Virginia now on the satellite view here. Our next system just beginning to develop out toward western Tennessee and southern Missouri, also in the northern parts of Arkansas. Some pretty heavy rain. So that's our next disturbance. And of course, a cold wedge of air is still sitting over the entire East Coast right now, Canadian air mass. And so what it means is we will not see cold enough temperatures by day to produce any wintry weather, but overnight periods have that chance for a wintry mix. Here's our futurecaster. We bring in that storm. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. And you can see Maryland's going to be on that rain-snow divide. We think most of the wet snow that will fall and accumulate mainly on grassy surfaces is going to be out from like Frederick West. But we'll be watching it closely. And overnight tomorrow night and Thursday morning, we could see a change over to some wet snow at times, even in Baltimore, because those overnight low temperatures will drop easily below freezing. So overnight tonight, 32, clouds on the increase, not as frigid. Wednesday, we'll talk about rain showers through the day and maybe a wintry mix in the highlands to the west. And then Wednesday night, even around Baltimore, rainy and cold with a chance of a winter mix.